Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 18th of October. And first of all, national news. Leopard attack claims women's life in Udaipur, 8 victims since September 18. Adani Enterprises raised $500 million primary equity to further its growth plans. Engine 7 coaches of Agartala, Mumbai Express derailed in Assam, no casualties. 2 months on, former Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina still in India. With passage of time, judge's dissenting verdict on Assam Accord ruling. And now, international news. Justin Trudeau's big admission amid India Canada diplomatic showdown. Wanted Canada to extradite Bishnoi gang members, India on diplomatic row. In a first, US used advanced B 2 stealth bombers against Houthis in Yemen. WHO urged Israel to allow aid access to Gaza amid humanitarian crisis. Bangladesh court ordered arrest warrant for ex Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. And now some sports news. Saurav Ganguly appointed director of cricket at JSW Sports. Anil Kumble's surprise pick as Rohit Sharma's replacement for Australia Test. The BCCI is yet to make a formal announcement as far as the date and venue are concerned. And business related news. Direct taxes to total tax revenue surged to 56.72% in financial year 24, highest in 14 years. Trade deficit at 5-month low as textile exports surge, gold imports dip. SEBI made availability of sale proceeds to FPIs on settlement day. And that's all in news. Thank you.